In this video, we're going to go over what it takes to make a fantastic event series.
This video is brought to you by Appy Pie Academy.
And we're going to go over a few key basics, and then I'll have you do an exercise to create your own initial strategy, and then you're going to refine that strategy as you go along. First of all, that's going to make the course more interactive for you, but second, you're actually going to see just how much your strategy is improving. And especially if you're one of those people who are like, well, I need more advanced strategies. Well, this is going to be your test. See if I can help you create better strategies than you currently have. So the basics are, and after we go over the basics, we'll cover your first exercise. So to make a fantastic event series, you are going to need a unique value proposition, something that's going to make your events stand out among the tens or hundreds of other events going on in your city that day. Why should people come to your events? Why should they keep coming? So something really unique and cool about it. The next thing is management and organization of your events. Like, how will you ensure that people actually get tremendous value from your events and come away from your events thinking, wow, that was great, I want to come back? Then there's going to be your monetization strategies. We're going to go over many monetization strategies. Don't worry about it. As we go through the course, there's a whole section on this. The same thing with marketing. We're going to go over a lot of marketing strategies, but essentially you need a plan for how you're going to grow attendance. And by the end of the course, you'll have a strong monetization and marketing strategy. And lastly, your consistency. Do you plan to do one event only or many? Usually the people's first event is the worst one and people improve over time. So doing multiple events consistently is actually ideal. Now let's go over your exercise and your initial plan. Your exercise is maybe pull up a Word document or a piece of paper and just write out 5 sentences. The first is, what's going to be your unique value proposition? Right now, what do you offer? Then you want to write, how will you promote your event? Very simple. How will you make money from the event? And what's your management strategy? And what's going to make the events truly great and organized? And then, of course, how frequently do you plan to do the events? And what's your true growth plan? What's the end goal? And that's your initial strategy. So as you're going to go through the course, these things will hopefully get improved from your initial plan. And that's why it's going to be so important to write your initial plan, so you'll see as you go along how much better it's going to start becoming. So with that, go ahead and make your initial plan, and let's go to the next video.